Man,
don't look at that, man. The car dirty, bro.
Man,
Come on,
filthy
bro.
car,
Yo, man. Come on, man.
Filthy
I
car.
don't even know
bro.
how the leaves get
Look,
in the car, bro.
I mean, got all kind of weird stuff, random clothes, chicken. Oh, that's not chicken. It's a picture of a chicken.
That man said chicken.
I thought it was real chicken. Yeah, man. It's a shame. It's a shame how he treats his BMW, bro. I should get it, right? I should get one and treat. No, I'm not joking. Woo! I don't know how I did it, but let's start. This car been sitting for weeks. It just died.
Yeah, I know.
He's just started it, and the car that said, "Sight." What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And today, we're not really doing much today, but I'm here to help out my boy Jason with his BMW, and I think he was supposed to replace the water pump. He already did the fuel pump earlier, and now he's doing the water pump. This car needs a major repair, and he's taking his sweet time and get it done. So he said he already did the water pump, car's running and starting, that's great. Now he's gonna do he did the fuel pump, my bad. Car start running and everything is great. He said right now he's gotta do the take care of the water pump for the overheat issue, and I think the last was the oil leak issue relating to the valve cover.
I might have to probably run my car back to stock or something and restart adaptations, because it's still doing fuel issues, even though I did it. But it's not like what it was before. But just for like a peace of mind or whatever, I'm just gonna like reset all that. Actually, there's like 3 different fuses. We gotta do the low pressure fuel pump.
Yeah.
And one of them has to do with fuel sending. So
Start responding.
I don't know. So I need to check those fuses to see none of blowing.
It's probably open, yeah.
Yeah, so that's the case. That also what happened. But it was driving before my car almost overheated and killed itself. But it was driving. Fantastic, strong. I like this right here, but
This is more fun. This is more fun. That's a great daily right here. But this right here is nice. It's fun. If you guys are curious about his car, it's 335. I'll leave a link down below for his mod list. And I should do an update video on it, because he did also a couple other like new stuff relating to it. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but he already replaced his rear exhaust tips. Sounds even better.
Yeah, you got a whole video on that.
I did a whole video, so I'll leave a link on that too. And maybe a couple other new stuff that I'm not aware of. So I'll figure it out. I'll let you guys know in the future. Anyways, yo, this is long overdue. His S3 is freaking badass. You don't know him? Dude, cool guy, Kurt. Tech dude, but guy has a beautiful car. He had a Nissan Altima. I think it was like the one with the V6. But, you know, somehow he decided to join the dark side and become one of the Euro squad. So he got himself an S3. These are nice, man. But he got some little goodies in them. He got some stuff going on. Hidden gems, and I think I should do like a review video. You know, leave a comment on below if you think I should. And yeah, can't wait to do this real soon, man. His car looks clean. All he has to do now is just drop it just for a tad bit, and it's gonna look super nice. Gotta move it in a level ground. Jeez, look at all that smoke, guys.
Oil onto the exhaust.
That's just oil in the exhaust. I'm telling you.
Look at this. You know it's bad now for real. Check. Look where it's starting to puddle up at. It was never that visible. Look at that shit.
Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you see how this wet spot right here on this charge pipe? Oh, this is a charge pipe? Yes. I think it's part of the charge pipe. This is getting wet down here. And you can actually see the oil literally coming out of the gasket.
Yep.
Guys, if you got a Beamer, tuned or not, if you don't change that, bro, you're just gonna have headaches. It's gonna be smoking, and then it's gonna be all kind of weird check engine light and stuff. Just do it, bro. So the car was too low, so we had to run up on some piece of wood on each side, and now he's trying to find the subframe point so he can jack this whole car. So
Oh, sorry. Sometimes you gotta.
I think he found it.
Shut at me. Right there.
You sure you got on the subframe, bro?
It has a lift point. There we go. It has like a little lift point.
Cool.
Little steel lift point before the oil pan.
There she goes. We'll jack her up, and then now we're gonna put these ramps on it so it could be under, because water pump for these right down there. I know you can't see it. It's electric pump, and it's hiding right on the hot side of the engine, which is, to me, is kind of weird. You know, you have your.
We don't question.
I'm just saying, German engineering. You have your plastic pump, a plastic water pump, on the hot side of the engine.
Bruh, it's heat proof. It's just gonna get brittle.
That's not heat proof, bro.
Shut up, bro.
Anyways.
You don't understand it.
Anyways, bro, for real. To me, I thought that was weird, but I can't say, I shouldn't be saying anything either, because my water pump location on the supercharger is right under the supercharger. Like, thermostat is right under it, and right under it, so it does create a kind, you know, a decent amount of heat. But at least it's better than this garbage. Sorry, bro.
Ooh, almost punched the ground. Oh my god. I would have said, all right, y'all go home. My
man. So I'll let my man do the dirty work, you know. So.
Yeah, can't let the guy in the flip flops doing it work.
Nah, you know, I'm trying to be clean. But that's all a mixture of oil and coolant. Yeah. And let's take a peek under. Let's see what we got. All right, so if I was a BMW technician, I would presume the water pump is right above, like right there if I'm pointing my finger.
Hey, you brought your flashlight or anything?
No, I didn't bring anything.
Hopefully.
But yeah, the water pump is right there. Back there somewhere. It's this huge piece of plastic. There's a good chance it's a water pump. So we gotta get it out. For what I've been told, we had to remove or lower this sway bar from the bracket and lower it down, and I'm assuming any other things that he didn't mention, and then yeah, he drain the fluid, drop it, take it out, put a new one in, reconnect, put seals, all that good stuff, and you know, put some cool in it. So all right, man, so that's it.
So yeah, he's gonna drive this car, man. Yo.
So I'm about to drive his S3, see what it's about.
Stage 1 APR.
Stage 1 APR. All right, it's nice and cozy in here. Oops.
What you mean, bro?
Forgot. See,
look,
see,
your Lexus. I mean, your ID too old, bro. You doing the wrong thing, man.
See now, you push button start. I need the whole key just to
put it in there.
Yeah. So push button start from the brake. Hey, sweet. Look at that. So we're gonna let this sucker warm up, and then we out.
Okay, so his Kurt always tell me how to supposed to drive this car, so he says this has to be off.
Yeah, but we gotta let it warm up a little bit more, right?
Yeah, but he just wants that to be off at all times.
Oh.
So
why? Something acts up?
Nah, it's just the way it runs. Because other than that, the traction control is gonna keep pulling the car left and right all the time.
Sucker feels good. It does give me that old feeling like the GTI. All right. It does give me that old feeling like I'm driving the GTI again. It's nice.
Go, keep going straight. I'm just gonna go into Harrison. What's that, right?
This right?
Mm-hmm. Go.
Oh, holy crap. Yo, we got wheel spins? What the fuck? You slow down before I hit somebody. Good lord.
If you slow down before they drop leaves on you, bro. Oh, my bad.
Yo, this thing literally had wheel spin, bro, and I was going straight. Let me try again. Let's try it again. And I'm gonna make sure I get straight first and then do it. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Effortlessly. I literally went up to easily. Like,
we in Mexico, just so y'all know.
yeah. But even in Mexico, I think the speed limit is what?
Well, don't tell people that.
I don't know. I just know there's no limit.
Call the Mexican police on us.
Yo, this thing feels great.
Feels good. And I told him the stock dampeners feel good.
Oh my God.
You know what I'm saying? Like he's like, oh, I need to get new stocks, new shocks. I'm like, bro, your dampeners is already good.
Yeah. You just want to lower it though. That's all.
No, it's not lowering anything.
Maybe he wants to feel more direct.
It's I don't know what it is. Maybe he's like he wants it to be comfortable and sport at the same time.
You can just, but it has adjust dampening. Right?
No, not this one. Nope.
Oh, so why didn't you just get the whole?
You got the Prestige one. You got the Prestige and stuff. You gotta look at him like he's not thinking like us. He's trying to find that balance of comfort and everything like that. So he did low life before, which was the ultimate. Right. And he rubbed on everything, so he's now punch height. He never want to do low life again. Okay. So this car should never change height. He never wanted to change height. So what he's doing is like I said, you got Magna shocks. So he's like, it's supposed to be sporty, and depending on the how much it's starting to do the bumps or whatever, the compression is going to start to change the dampening of the car or whatever. Some crazy stuff, which we got to do. We got to install that. This man starts pressing things. Oh, look at me.
See, we just save power when I turn the damn AC off. What the hell? Who has the AC on? It's cold.
Sometimes you got to. Stop fucking with the man tires, bro.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Yo, you paying for them tires, bro? Hey, shut up, bro.
Sorry, Kurt. It's fine, bro. So we in here.
Hubcaps for the S4, bro.
No.
S4, come on.
Nah, but we're about to get some. We're about to get some brake cleaners, clean that mess up, because he's always running out. And we're gonna be back to it. So brake cleaners. If I was a brake cleaner, where would I be?
Next to cabs.
Okay, so there we go. Why don't you want to get this one right here?
This one says high pressure, so I thought I'd just do better. High power. I don't know.
No, it just runs out faster. That's what I think.
2 times faster.
Yeah, 2 times faster. That means it runs out.
2 times faster.
Yeah, it runs out faster. You don't want that. Get the regular one. It's cheaper too, right? CRC. Yo, these brands are not bad. All right, so you
Pro
can get,
Series. What the hell's the difference?
I'm not gonna question that. Probably just same thing with different badges.
Still got a lot more.
Oh, I don't know, more condensed.
Oh, it runs out faster, either one.
Yeah, but all right, let's go get that. Got it. Oh, look at that Audi, just clean, so silver and nice. Yeah. 69K. Oops, I keep doing that. Push button start, I forgot. Click. All right. About to have some fun. I'm gonna head right back to Jason's garbage. Okay. So we got the new pump, and I was wrong. It's not completely plastic.
Thermostat is though.
Yeah, the thermostat side is with the little turbine in the middle, or inside, if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. But in general, it's pretty much aluminum. Yeah. Thermostat. You can see it. It's like whole built in one piece. So yeah, we're gonna put these two into there while he's looking for tools. All right, so we finally put it back together. Right now he's doing some finishing touches. It's tightening up. You can take a look at it real quick. Right here, that is what you call a water pump, and right behind it, well, above it I should say, is a thermostat. So we finally got everything together. It was a pain and a half, bro. Literally, it's like, and our only reason why, because we had some problems with the subframing in a way. Well, no, it's a subframe over there, but this part right here, the suspension part, like crossbar. So this right here this alone was a problem, and then getting your hand in between over here, trying to get stuff done, trying to adjust this, trying to tighten the clamps and stuff like that. That was a lot. So we had to make sure that everything is in place, because we know how it is. If we try to half-ass something, it's gonna come back and bite us on the ass. So we made sure everything is on point. Now we're gonna pour some coolant back in this sucker. He's pouring the fluid in there.
That's that blue stuff.
So you already put the fluid in. Right now you can see it's circulating. It's running.
Start the car up. Start the car completely. Because the fan's not even coming out. I think it's too low in energy and accessory for the do anything.
Oh wow. About to
Start
get.
the car real quick, Jim.
Alright.
Regardless, we're gonna start. You gotta make sure I get the air bubbles out. Since everything's all electric, it's all sensors, right? Since the thermostat is still closed, the car already sensed that the thermostat was closed, therefore the engine may be hot. So the fan already kicked it on the high gear. So immediately, no matter what I do, the car could be turned off, and you start hearing the fan just blowing at the highest. The fan is not even blowing on the highest. So you're seeing what it gotta see, so that's what's up.
There you go. Well, it's done. Car was idling for a while, running well, no leaks. We just put everything back under the car. Everything is running well. He did a quick cleanup. I don't know if that matters, but we're pretty much set, man. So just figured out something. So we were just rolling out, and everything was smooth. He was having fun with the car again, and then guess what? One of the coolant line popped, and we figured what it was. It's one of those lines that was really difficult to fix, or really was to adjust because of the tight room. But we really thought it was in there. We even tried to yank it and everything, and it was holding pressure. So the fact that it just decided to pop now, so it sucks. But we had to finish this another day because
Play the game, bro.
yeah,
Dark now.
it's getting dark now. So
Yeah,
it's time for us to go. But
yeah, we gonna stop. I'm gonna buy those LED towers.
yes.
Buy those LED
But yeah, she gotta sit down. So apparently it's not over. When it comes to BMW, it's never over. But anyways, guys, I'm about to still headed to my crib. About to be dark, but it is what it is, and yeah, that's it.
Night POV.
So by the time we get to the house, it's gonna be dark. So this might be pretty much it, guys. This is gonna be pretty much a video for this today's vlog. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. And I'm gonna try out his slow ass car.
Hey, shut up.
I'm just saying.